Hello everyone, it's Shauna again. I'm in the same outfit because I decided to go ahead and film a couple of videos while I have the time. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. And I had to pick up some fragrance mist for the sale, the $5.50 sale that took place. As if I need any more. I mean, you guys probably saw my video, right? My Bath and Body Works collection. How am I going to get through all of that? But they just keep having so many incredible sales that I'm like, yeah, I need to stock up. I need to stock up. So I went back. I mean, $5.50. You really can't beat that because the fragrance mists are up to $15.50 and $16.50. I mean, they're getting really pricey. So yeah, so I try to take advantage of the sales. Anywho, let's jump in and see what I got. So I picked up strawberry pound cake because I love this one. Here is the packaging, and no scent notes, but this smells like a strawberry dessert. It's delicious. You get the strawberries, you get the vanilla, and then to me, it smells like strawberry cheesecake. It's beautiful. This is part of the Farmhouse Cafe collection. It's so nice. Yeah, it's so nice, you guys. So I had to stock up on that because I feel better stocking up on fragrance mist because I feel like they won't expire as soon as like the body creams and lotion and shower gels. And yes, the shower gels do expire, people. Using like old shower gels can cause things like folliculitis and things like that. So you really don't want to do that. I don't know the shelf life, but I just kind of feel more comfortable stocking up on mists. So next I picked up Sugared Cherry Crisp. And this is one of my favorite releases for fall. And this is also part of the Farmhouse Cafe collection. And this smells like cherry pie. Oh man. Delicious cherry pie with like a graham cracker crust. Oh, it's so nice. Nice. Lovely, yummy, gourmand scent. Love this. This is one of my favorite releases for fall. And then I picked up Hello Beautiful because it was a recommendation from someone that watched one of my videos. And this one is white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, and pink nectarine and cotton musk. And it is really pretty. It's just one that I kind of overlooked. Oh, but it's like, it's floral, and then you get the cotton and the musk. It's really nice. So I really like this one. That is Hello Beautiful. Next, I picked up another sweet whiskey because I really like this one, you guys. Here is the packaging. It is part of the Autumn Glow collection with pink velvet cupcake, black cherry Merlot, and warm vanilla sugar. And this one, it smells like a whiskey sour, but it's like powdery, perfumey, and vanilla, and it's sweet. It's very unique. It's very unique. This is either like you love it or you hate it. It is unique, and I happen to love it. So that is sweet whiskey. Next, I picked up another black cherry Merlot, and I love this one, you guys. So it's dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous Merlot, and this one smells like a sangria. It smells like a sangria with like cherry juice just dumped into it. Ugh. It is so nice. It is so sweet and fruity. And I get compliments on this one too. I love black cherry Merlot. Love it. And next I picked up another pink velvet cupcake. And oh my gosh, the packaging just gets me. It's so pretty. I love the pink and then the marble with like baby blue and gold glitter. So the scent notes are sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, and sugared praline. And this one is just like sweet, sugary vanilla with berries, and then that like that praline note just kind of like grounds it. Very sweet, and it's delicious. I love this so much. That is Pink Velvet Cupcake. And then I don't know why, but I picked up another whipped almond vanilla, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I actually have done reviews for most of this, but this one is part of the Give Thanks collection. It just was released officially on Monday, and it's strange. I was looking forward to this one. It's like almond and lavender. It's different. It wasn't what I was expecting, but it's kind of nice. So I picked up another one, just in case, just to have it. So maybe I'll give it away as a gift. I'm not sure. It's like a sale frenzy. Like, how sharks have feeding frenzies. Like if they smell blood in the water, they're just like, that's kind of how it is for for Bath and Body Works when they have sales. It's like, I gotta stock up. And then you end up with an entire pantry full of Bath and Body Works. It's like, okay, you need to stop now. Okay, so I picked up another Lakeside Citrus. This is also part of the Give Thanks collection. I don't know if I said it already, but featuring whipped almond vanilla, Lakeside Citrus, white pumpkin and chai, and frosted cranberry. And this one is just absolutely beautiful, you guys. Look at the blue. I just love it. And this is citrus and fresh air. It's so fresh. It's so beautiful. Men and women can wear this fragrance. It's just lovely. It's really beautiful. So this may be a hoard for me. That's Lakeside Citrus. Next, I picked up another frosted cranberry. And this one is, there's no scent notes on here, but this is like, I get cranberry, raspberry, and then I get apple too. Yeah, apple. It's nice. I did a review for this one too, but I really like that one. And then I picked up another white pumpkin and chai, because this is my favorite out of that collection, you guys. And this is, it's a yummy, cozy fall gourmand scent. It's like pumpkin and spices and cider. Oh man, it's so nice. You guys, if you like gourmand scents, you have to smell this. You have to. So that's it. Thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you picked up during the Fragrance Mist sale, or if you picked up some things online, that type of thing. I love to know that you guys stopped by my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.